Los Angeles. At the Jewelry Theater building. Oh, look at the sign. Look at the sign on this place. Diamonds. Pretty neat. We got ERM. While we're waiting, we're gonna look at the outside of the building. This place is really pretty. Look at that awesome old facade. Anyway, I don't know what these are. Look old. Huh. Oh, it's locked up to 8. I guess 8's locked, is it? No, it's not. What was that? Oh, let's get a view out. What is this? The Sayer Rothger Company, Los Angeles, probably made the iron for the door sill. Look at that view. Cool. Yeah. Little indicator up there. Here's a view. Lock back down. LL is locked down to L. Max Elevator Company. I wonder if they did the mod for this. I don't know what these were originally. They're pretty quick though for 8 floors. They do the job well. Other than the mod, I have no complaints. And that's it.